Hi, dear subscribers and new visitors, welcome to Pure Delicious. I hope you're doing great today. I wish you a great day or night ahead. Chicken breast, 680 grams or 1.5 pounds. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. You can use boneless, skinless thighs here too. We all love a dinner that's easy, healthy, and actually tasty, right? This chicken dish has it all: juicy chicken, roasted veggies, and barely any cleanup. But here's what makes it extra special. I'm using a super simple trick to make the chicken incredibly tender. You might already have the secret ingredient in your fridge, so let's get started. Milk, 1 cup. Marinate your chicken in the milk for 20 to 30 minutes. You'll be surprised how this simple step makes your chicken super juicy and tender. Cut 1 carrot into small pieces. Add to a large bowl. 1 red onion, cut into chunks. Red onions bring a pop of color to the dish. They roast down to a gorgeous caramelized color, adding both flavor and visual appeal. They're less sharp than white onions and turn beautifully sweet in the oven. One large red bell pepper. This bell pepper's been sitting in my fridge for a while. Not the freshest, but still good. This is definitely a clean out the fridge type of meal, and that's what I love about it. One zucchini. Cut it into thick, half moons. Zucchini is rich in vitamin C and potassium, great for your immune system and heart health. Plus, it's over 90% water, super hydrating. It's low in calories and high in fiber, perfect for a feel-good meal. A small head of broccoli. Cut it into medium-sized florets. You can switch up the veggies in this dish. It's super flexible. Got eggplant, mushrooms, or tomatoes? Toss them in. Drain off the milk and add the chicken to the bowl. Salt, 2 teaspoons or to your taste. Season with a ½ teaspoon of each onion powder, garlic powder, sweet paprika, mild chili powder, oregano, and black pepper. Panko or regular breadcrumbs, a ½ cup. Parmesan cheese, a third cup. Grated pecorino is a good substitute for Parmesan cheese here. If you want to keep it gluten-free, swap the breadcrumbs for almond flour or another gluten-free alternative. Olive oil, a third cup. Toss everything together. Break the onions apart into layers, so they are ready to roast and caramelize. Dear friends, please like this video and share it with your family and friends. That helps a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. Transfer and spread the goods out on your parchment-lined, large baking sheet. The breadcrumbs and parmesan coat the chicken and give it a nice texture. Bake in preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius for 25 minutes. Remove from oven. Sprinkle with 1.5 cups mozzarella cheese all over. You can leave out mozzarella cheese if you're not into that, and this dish will still rock your socks off. Stick back in the oven until the cheese has melted. Turned out amazing, don't you think? Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss my future videos. Sprinkle chili flakes on top. Trust me, this recipe is a keeper. I'm sending you so much love. Take care.